Hi, I'm Jenn Ferguson with Artistic Painting Studio, and today I want to introduce you to the wonderful world of foils. Foils come in many different patterns and colors and give us a wide variety of ways to adorn our furniture, our walls, our cabinetry, you name it, we pretty much can put foils on it. So the process is started with a product that is called foil adhesive, and this is our glue basically to transfer the foils. So I'm going to put my camera down and get you going here with me, okay? I have already taken some of the foil adhesive out, which again is this product here under my brand Artsyville Embellishments, and I put it onto a foam plate. And this way, if I need to, if it's a little thicker than I want, I can always dip my brush into a tiny bit of water and thin it down. Now the foil adhesive is just applied to the surface, and you just want to brush it back and forth and get a nice thin even layer, okay, if possible. Like I said, if it's a little thick, just grab a tiny bit of water on the end of your bristle and that'll help it to flow better. Foils can transfer basically or telegraph everything that is underneath. So if there's texture on your surface, if you're creating some kind of texture or movement with your application of the foil adhesive, all of this can transfer or telegraph through to or through your project, okay? So as you can see, when it goes on, it's milky white. It will dry perfectly clear. So this is the same color black background that we're on. This one is completely dry, and this one I just applied on there. It will take no less than 15 to 30 minutes to dry to what we call a firm tack, but you can leave it on here for as long as you want. If you put your foil adhesive down and you don't have time to finish your project, or you've gotten interrupted for whatever reasons, realize this is never going to dry beyond a firm tack. So it's always going to be sticky and will never dry beyond that. Once you have your foil adhesive on your surface, and like I said, it goes on many, many different surfaces, then you can go and choose which of the wonderful patterns you might want to use. Like I said, we have tons of different patterns, holographs, colors, from our animal prints to beautiful roses and silver and gold. And today I'm going to demonstrate one of my favorites, which is called Dominique, which is another foil that is in black and grays. So all you have to do is roll off enough of your foil for your project, and then just cut whatever you need. We've got our project right here, which is just going to be a sample board, and now I'm just going to take my foil and lay it over my surface. Yep. You can start off with just a terry rag, a soft cloth, whatever you have handy, and rub on the back of the foil. Okay, so when you're transferring these foils, you're always going to have what I call the shiny side or the pretty side facing up, because the foils, the metallization and the pattern is actually on the back side of the foil, so inside here. So you're always going to be making sure the pattern or the pretty side is up. Once you rub it with a cloth, okay, you can take a peek and look and see if you've got as much transfer as you want. If not, allow the foil to go right back into position and just grab a scrubber brush. These are just stiff plastic bristles, and scrub back and forth. Once you have scrubbed, you can peek always, and if you see a spot maybe that didn't transfer as well as you want, allow the foil to go right back there, because if there is adhesive right up underneath that area, it might transfer that one little spot that you might want more coverage. So always do your peeking first. And there you go. Here we are with a beautiful, beautiful transfer of the Dominique foil. Once your foils have been transferred to your surface, you definitely want to protect them no matter what the surface. I don't care if it's a wall, furniture, or cabinetry. You need to put a clear coat over the top and protect, okay? They are the thinnest layer of metallization, so they need protection. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. I guarantee you, if you check out our foils, along with our foil adhesive, you will have the most beautiful, wonderful transfers you can get. Check us out online at artisticpaintingstudio.com. Thanks for joining me.